right, some pretty solid news out there for investors. The Dow has closed at an all-time high after gaining about 121 points on Tuesday. Also good news for the S&P 500 as well. It hit a record high for the second day in a row as well. Let's talk about this with our expert-in-chief, Paul LaMonica, who's joining me live now from New York. So despite the naysayers after that Brexit vote, a lot of people were running for the hills. Now this is pure evidence that the bull market is alive and well, Paul.
It is amazing, Zane. I think what's going to happen, the big test now is going to be corporate earnings, which we're really going to see in earnest start this week with a lot of big banks reporting their results at the end of the week. Right now, investors in the United States, at least, seem to be of the mindset that Brexit is not going to be a major problem for the U.S. economy. And I think they were heartened by the fact that two companies that have significant presence in the U.K., Walgreens, which owns Boots, and Pepsi, they reported decent results last week and didn't warn because of any Brexit-related problems.
And so, Paul, I know you get asked this a lot, but what will this, of course, mean for the Fed, especially when it comes to raising interest rates? Obviously, we got that amazing, stellar June jobs report, and now this record high as well.
Yeah, the jobs report, I think, was a sigh of relief for many investors because there were two things there. You had, one, a reversal from that awful number in May, which actually got revised even lower, so healthy jobs growth. But wage growth is still just creeping up a little bit. It's not so strong that it's giving the Fed reason to be worried about a time to raise interest rates anytime soon. So with a contentious presidential election just around the corner, I think the mindset right now is that the U.S. economy is on solid, if not spectacular footing, and the Fed isn't going to screw it up by raising rates anytime soon.
If it ain't broke, you know what they say.
Yep.
Don't try to fix it. Okay, Paul LaMonica live for us there. Thank you so much.